Let's harvest Robusta coffee beans. Come along with us.
Millions of cherries are processed here daily, destined for markets across the globe. It all starts with the careful hands of these workers.
All right, next one up. Watch your step on the ramp. Secure the load!
Advanced logistics ensure that every jar and package is smoothly transported from the factory floor to the warehouse pallets.
From our warehouse to your shopping cart, we make sure the freshest coffee products are always available when you need them.